If you're not using Kolb's experiential learning cycle in your instructional design, you and your learners are missing out. Kolb's experiential learning cycle is a powerful framework for enriching the learning process, involving 4 stages: concrete experience, reflective observation, abstract conceptualization, and active experimentation. Let's dive into how we can apply each of these stages to create a comprehensive and effective learning experience in this example for customer service representatives. For a concrete experience, start by immersing your learners in real-world scenarios they might encounter on the job. For example, simulate a busy IT hotline or a human resources office. This stage provides the initial, direct experience that is the basis for learning. For reflective observation, after the simulation, guide learners through a reflective discussion on their experience. Questions like, what challenges did you face while interacting with the customer? Or, how did you feel during the encounter? Encourage learners to reflect on their actions and feelings. This reflection helps them observe their behaviors and the situation from different perspectives. Next, for abstract conceptualization, introduce theories and concepts related to customer service, such as communication techniques, problem-solving strategies, and emotional intelligence. Learners can then conceptualize and understand the principles behind effective customer service. Discuss how these principles could have been applied in the simulation to achieve a positive outcome. Finally, for active experimentation, ask learners to apply what they've learned in a new, yet controlled situation. This could involve role-playing exercises where they practice handling different types of customer interactions based on the theories and strategies discussed. Encourage creativity and exploration, allowing them to experiment with various approaches to find what works best. For creating learning objectives, use Kolb's model as a framework. Ensure that your objectives cover all 4 stages, such as engage in realistic customer service scenarios, concrete experience, reflect on personal performance and identify areas for improvement, reflective observation, understand and apply customer service theories and principles, abstract conceptualization, demonstrate improved customer service skills in varied scenarios, active experimentation. To assess learning using Kolb's model, consider a mix of formative and summative assessments. For example, use reflective journals or discussion boards to assess learners' ability to observe and reflect on their experiences. Quizzes or written assignments can evaluate their understanding of abstract concepts and theories. Role-playing exercises and simulations provide a practical way to assess their ability to apply what they've learned in real life or simulated situations. By integrating Kolb's experiential learning cycle into your instructional design, you create a dynamic and engaging learning environment that prepares employees not just to perform their duties, but to excel in them. Remember, the goal is to foster a continuous learning cycle where experiences lead to reflections, which then form the basis for new concepts and ultimately guide future actions. Use Kolb's model in your instructional design projects to create impactful and transformative learning experiences.